Hello, my name is Jan and I will today show you how to do advanced product variations in your Shopify store. So let's get started. Well, maybe you have a store and you have products where you want to do something like this. So maybe this is a baby body where you have, short sleeve, long sleeve. So you want to select between them. You see they change also what type of, body color they have based on, this selected. So there are some, conditions. You also want to maybe have like this nice product sizes, maybe a nice color like this. So how do you do something like this? I will show you. So first you need of course Shopify, and then you need to install the application which is called Advanced Product Options. So what this does is that it creates like a product templates, so like templates for variations. So in my example, which we can take a look on, is this Queen t-shirt. So it's a t-shirt. We have only one short sleeve t-shirt, but what is different is the sizes, is the text. It can be queen or a king, and it also has a different number, and then the color of the print. So it's a unisex t-shirt. So if I take a look on the product, of course, as usual, you just fill the title, you fill the description, you upload some nice images of the product, you put there the price, that's very important. And then if we look on these variations here, you don't fill anything so far. So here you see that the product type is, it's not really necessary to have a unisex t-shirt king and queen product type for this, because this is very likely to be the same as a unisex t-shirt. The only thing which will be different in this one is the text. So there's no need to make a template for like one or two products. You always make a template when it's worth it. So let's say if I would have like maybe 50 t-shirts with this, maybe just some different maybe numbering, but the text would be the same. It makes sense to make a template. But because this is only one product, we don't really need it. So we can stick to the general template. I call it general template because there are there's nothing special. It's just a unisex t-shirt thing. So you select a product type, unisex t-shirt. You can also create product type, whatever. As long as it makes sense to you, it's okay. So unisex t-shirt. I save it. It's very important to always save, so you have it in the application as well. Well, and now if we look on this template, unisex t-shirt. So unisex t-shirt template is meant for all products which have product type unisex t-shirt. So we see it's unisex, that's the name, it's active, order 1. The order is there because you can also mix the templates. You can have 1 and 2 templates on one product, so you can have different multiple things, but I just keep it simple, so we have one template and everything is here. So you see the type is only one. You just select this short sleeve t-shirt, then we have different colors, white and black, and then we have different sizes. What is nice here is that you have here some kind of conditions. So let's say you can add a condition. For example, the big t-shirts, the 6XL t-shirt, maybe you don't have them in white. So what you can do is that the t-shirt color, you say, okay, it shows only if you select it white, or in this case this is white, I guess. So 6XL t-shirt is shown only if the body color is white. So this kind of conditions you can have. I also use these conditions so I don't show all the variations at once, so I have it like this. And then you have the color for the t-shirt. It may make sense to maybe hide a white color for a white t-shirt. So again, you will do it here. And now that's it. Now we created a template. Maybe you want to add there something. It's very simple. If you want to add something, you just click add new option. You name it. So let's say Sometimes the t-shirts have second color, so I can have an example second text color. So then it can be, you know, like a ratio, like a click thing, or it can be select box, it can be drop down. Maybe what I like is swatch, because it displays like also the color. So if I say, you know, that it's white, what I can do with this is that I can just add the color white, and then the customer will see the color white, so it looks nice. But in this example, we don't need to add anything. I already made it. So now let's take a look on how you can add this template to the product, because it's not done automatically. You have to do it once you created the product. Okay, so if you go below all this, you can see it's a long. But here below, oops, you will see associated products. So far, there is 0 selected items. You see, 0. So what I do is I go to product type. I just take a look. Yes, it was unisex t-shirt, so I can just select this, put it there. And now what will happen, it will filter for me all the product type which are named unisex t-shirt. So you see I have 75 product types. So what I do is that I select visible. I selected 50 because that's the first page. I go here at the bottom. And I go on the second page. Okay. And you see it's the 25, the rest of the 75, because on the first page we had 50, then on the second page we have 25, because in total we have 75 products, product types, unisex t-shirt. So I just select visible again. Voila, I have 75. That's it. So I just save it. So what will happen now, it will associate this template with the variations to all products where I selected that the product type is unisex t-shirt. So now with this one, we can take a look. It should now have associated the product template that we just made. Now, okay, it's still saving. Yes. Okay, so you see we have here the t-shirt. People can, you know, select if they want white or black. They can then select the sizes. They can then select the color type. But now we have to also remember that the t-shirt has 2 variations. So you have king and queen. So this variation we did not do in the general in the template, because this is unique only for this product. So what we can do is we can just go here for the variant and we create one, and we say text, because it's a text, and we have queen 01, I think it was. Yes, and then we have king 02. Yes. So here you can also, you know, you can create something, but I recommend using this only if it's, you know, if it's not complicated. So let's say selecting between 2 text, that's a simple one. But using this for example, for the colors, that will be a lot of work. That's why we have all that in template. That's also why we have, you know, the sizes in template, because you don't want, you know, to every product do something like this. This is only worth doing when it's something like this, when you have only one, I don't know, up to 10 text options. So you save it. You are fresh. Okay, and now you select you see, we have, things from the template we have, so it's t-shirt, dark, white, the size, the color type, the color of the print. And then in the bottom, we also see the text. This is the variations which we made, which we added manually in this variants in the product. So this is how you do it, and it's done. So of course, if you have any questions, you can let me know. For sure, I will do more of those tutorials to help you. And looking forward. Thank you.